Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here, all across here, may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last on Friday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And after the weekend is unfolded, what I'm going to do is just get rid of that line right there, and we're going to apply the KISS method here going forward. Keep it simple, stupid. And that is just to kind of really focus on 2 lines, and by doing this, it'll allow you to keep, for this video to remain relevant for as long as possible, and I bring that up because remember, crypto markets are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look different, but by kind of going through these sequence of questions, it'll keep, like I said, this video and your understanding of the overall story of the chart totally relevant. So the first question to ask yourself is, where does the price stand relative to 400? Why do I say 400? Well, 400 is this green line down here. And as you can see over the weekend, the bears tried several times to push down through there, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. So that is, proven to be a good solid area of support. But again, if you're watching this video 20 hours from now and the price is actually down below 400, well, that would just be, a sign that the bears have picked up strength. And, in technical jargon, that would be a pattern breakdown. What pattern? Well, right here we have, let's try a different shape there. Let's try the square. So right now, essentially, what is occurring is a channel pattern. Bottom part of the channel is 400. So hence, like I said, if you're watching this and the price is actually down below 400, that would just imply that there's been the technical channel pattern breakdown, breaking down through support. On the flip side of things, and the other question to ask yourself, well, where does the price stand relative to 425? 425 is the top portion of that channel and otherwise known as the resistance level. So again, if you're watching this in the video or in the price is up above 425, well, that one just imply that in the technical jargon, a bullish pattern breakout has happened. So you have breakdowns, you have breakouts, and that'll, just asking yourself these questions will keep things relevant. Now, if neither of those has happened and the price is still between there, well, then that just means that the chart is continuing to consolidate. The chart is continuing to be kind of stuck inside of this current channel. So keep an eye on those 2 levels. And like I said, that'll keep this chart and the story relevant for at least the next 24 hours until I come back and get things updated again. Right now, though, the pressing matter seems to be that 400 mark as the price is getting pretty close to that. So we'll see if there's a breakdown coming, or who knows, maybe another bounce is coming. And, when I come back 24 hours from now, maybe I'll be talking about a potential break of 425. Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.